Imagine that your implement suddenly fails, you don't know why, and you feel that you cannot fix it on your own. You need a quick and efficient solution. This is where Jaltest ISOBUS becomes your best ally. Jaltest HIK is the perfect portable equipment for those technicians and operators who need to carry out adjustments, repairs or final checks in the assembly of ISOBUS agricultural implements. Quickly and easily, Jaltest ISOBUS can perform diagnostics on your implement without the need for a tractor, and completely wirelessly. Jaltest ISOBUS HIK, the smart solution for your agricultural implements. Keep up the good work in the field with all the safety you need.